Today I am going to make chicken fry, Andhra style and spicy and nice. Come, no late. Come, come. Now what I am doing is, this is oil. I always tell you that. So how much oil? My kadai is ready. Little bit more oil for the chicken fry. But I'm not frying like this. Like this only I'm doing. Okay. Now see all these things. This is a bay leaf and cinnamon and little this one only we have to. So first I am putting all these things, then onions. And this is especially this one only we have to use, yeah, the small chilies, chatpat, that only very spicy, like feeling of Andhra. Okay. That's all very very easy, yeah. Actually, my friend Nalini, she's telling me, hey, உன்னது சிக்கன் ஃப்ரை அப்படி அருமையா இருந்தது நீ பண்ணது அப்படின்னு. Then I thought now I can put it in the Instagram. Now people can also enjoy. See, yeah. Now have a look. Okay, next you want little bit like gravy style, like you're mixing in the with the rice. That time what you have to do, you have to cut it very very small. Okay, like chopping. Like this only you have to cut. I always see my measurements. That is enough actually. So I removed this one, not necessary. Yeah. Now look at this one. You have to be gradually make it like this. See, everything is ready. This is my garden one only. Always I use the fresh one. The taste will be very nice. Sorry. Same thing only again coming. This is my garden one. Now ready for this. See, this is the thing actually, chicken, and I marinated ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt. Totally you have to marinate for the half an hour. Okay, that's all. Now, next thing is very important when you're doing, you have to keep your flame is on a medium. Now not very brownish color. It should not be brownish color. Now you can add the chicken like this. See, already I marinated, no? So like this it will come. Now I am adding this is a Kashmiri chili powder. This is a Kashmiri chili powder to color only. It's not spice at all. This much little bit color. That Andhra spicy means red color they want it. So like that. See. Yeah, like this only you have to mix it. Mix it properly. Make your gas is medium flame, not high flame, because we are not using so much of oil, so it will stick on the kadai like that only. So you have to do like this. Now see like this. Now close the lid. Now close the lid nicely. Yeah, you can keep it for 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, you have to always watch, otherwise it spoil. This is a special, this water, steam water only I'll add always. And the color of red color, the Kashmiri chili powder. We are not adding any colors. That is only main important. Why I am telling that we have to cook in the house, because we don't know outside, what and all they are using. So that is a big problem nowadays. Now this is the chili powder. I'm adding the chili powder now. See, this is option. How much you want it actually. We eat more, but Andhra special means that is always little bit spicy. Very very easy, yeah, with the cashews also. And this is totally protein. And you can eat also not rice. With the rice is very tasty. Nowadays they're not eating the rice because they're telling that carbs. We don't want to eat the carbs. Then you can eat the protein only. That's it. Now again medium flame. Close it. That's all. Yeah. See, now the water. So mostly I don't know how the other people are doing. Yeah, now you can make the high flame. Whenever the small kids also they're doing my chicken fry, it will come so well, and you people can also try it. So good and easy. Very, I always tell you, very easy poosy only. I will adopt all the things. Okay, like this. And little bit is there. Now you can add little bit curry leaves also, and later I will. So you will see the color and all. Now you can remove this leaf, yeah. If you don't want this, no, bay leaf, you can remove it. I always remove this one. And one more thing, now only I'm going to add the cashew nut. This is optional. When which you want, you can add it, otherwise not necessary, but I'm adding. I love the cashew nuts with this. I'm not frying it all. See, that one only highlight. Otherwise, other, some people will fry that one and add it, but I don't want to do that thing. So I'm adding like this. Now close the lid. This is a main ingredients for the Andhra chicken fry. See, I'll show all this actually spices. Now I'm doing in this only, in the stone one. Why, very little we are using. I'm using only 500 grams chicken. So in the mixie, it won't do properly. And next thing is, when you're crushing all this, fresh, and immediately you're using, the taste itself very yummy. So that is the main reason. If you don't have time, you can grind it more and keep it inside. Wherever you can store it. But I won't advise that. That is a problem. Okay. See, sorry. All the time I'm used to. Come on, now see the color, and chicken is ready now. Yeah, your chicken is ready. Now I'm adding this masala. Actually, this is only important for chicken fry. Ready. Just sprinkle it nicely. Yes. Now mix it well. The aroma, see how nice, really. If rice is there hot, I will have my nicely lunch or dinner, whatever. Like this. Now little bit, close it now. Yeah, you have to close it little while. Ready. Chicken fry is ready now. Oh, little bit, yeah. Okay, with the cashewness, the color of this thing ready now. Now we are going to add, this is a curry leaves like this. And see, this is my home garden chilies. I won't cut here because that flavor will come properly. So I put it like this only. Next is squeeze it, this lemon, little one drop like this. More than enough. That's it. Okay, now mix it well. Close the lid. Yes. Your chicken fry is ready. That's all. Very easy, now. Time for taste, huh? Very tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this moment also.